Om Shanti. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday night, we heard Baba, and so powerful points Baba shared with us to take our efforts at the greater level. It was a revised Murli of 3rd Feb 2005, where Baba was specially underlying which qualities we need to have while doing service. First thing Baba said, we need to have unlimited attitude. At the same time, Baba was saying that we have to remain beyond. So these two qualities Baba was underlying to become complete like Brahma Baba. So let's read Baba's yesterday revised Murli. The title of the Murli is While Serving, Become Ever Ready by Remaining Beyond and Having an Unlimited Attitude and Become Complete like Father Brahma. Today, the great-great-grandfather is pleased to see the fortune of his children from everywhere, who are a handful out of multi-millions and a selected few of that handful. Such a special fortune cannot be received by anyone else. See Baba's vision towards our children. We all children, Baba is saying we are handful out of multi-millions and a few of that handful. Such a special fortune cannot be received by anyone else. Baba is pleased to see the speciality of every child. All the children who have forged a relationship with Bab-Dada, who have with Bab-Dada, with their heart definitely have one speciality or another. The first speciality of all is that you recognize the Father who came in an ordinary form and you accepted him as my Baba. This recognition is the biggest speciality of all. You accepted from your heart my Baba, and the Father accepted my children. You ordinary children recognize the one whom the great philosophers, scientists, and dharmatmas were not able to recognize, and you claimed your rights. If anyone were to come and see you, the children of this gathering, they would not be able to understand that you innocent mothers and ordinary children have recognized such a great Father. This is a speciality of all Brahmin souls, that we all could recognize Baba in a very ordinary form just by his knowledge. So the speciality of recognizing the Father, to recognize him and make him belong to you, is the fortune of your handful of children out of multi-millions. All the children, whether you are sitting here personally in the front of Baba or sitting far away, are experiencing this as though they are sitting face to face with Baba. So, all of you children recognized Baba with your heart. Have you recognized, or are you still trying to recognize? Baba is asking us, have we completely recognized Baba, or we are still in the process of recognizing Baba? Those who have recognized Baba, raise your hands. Have you recognized? What is the sign of that we have recognized Baba? The first thing that we will start following Baba Srimad accurately, right? So Baba is asking us, have you completely recognized him? Acha. So Bab Dada is congratulating every child for having the speciality of recognizing Baba. Wah, fortunate children, wah. You have attained the third eye with which to recognize. Bab Dada continues to hear. So, Baba is saying, Bab Dada continues to hear the song in the hearts of you children. What song is that? I have attained that which I wanted to attain. This is a favorite song of children. That after attending Baba, after getting Baba, after having Baba in our life, we have attained everything which I wanted to attain. The Father also says, O beloved children, you have taken whatever you wanted to take from the Father. Every child is a child and a master of innumerable spiritual treasures. Every child is a child and a master of innumerable spiritual treasures which Baba is offering at Confluence Age. So today, Bab Dada was seeing the chart of the treasures of the children. Who are the masters of the treasures? The Father has given everyone the same amount of the same treasures. He has not given multi-millions to some and 100,000s to others. However, you are number-wise in knowing the treasures and attending them and in putting them into your life. Baba is giving equal to all children, but children are becoming number-wise in knowing the treasures, attaining them, and in putting them into your life. Nowadays, Bab Dada repeatedly makes you children pay attention in various ways. Seeing the closeness of time, check with a subtle and unlimited intellect what you have received. This is the homework Baba is giving to us. Seeing the closeness of time, check with a subtle and unlimited intellect what you have received, what you have taken, and whether you are constantly being sustained with those treasures. This checking is very necessary because at present, Maya continues to test you with many different forms of royal carelessness and royal laziness. Why this checking is important? Because Baba is saying Maya is nowadays taking test of all of us in the form of royal carelessness and royal laziness. Therefore, constantly continue to check yourself. Check yourself with that much attention. Do not check yourself in a careless way, such as, I did not do anything bad. I did not cause anyone sorrow. I did not have impure vision. So Baba is saying, don't get just satisfied with these statements. That I did not do anything bad or I did not give anyone sorrow. I did not have impure vision. That is checking anyway. But what did I do that was best of all? Did I constantly have soul consciousness vision in a natural way? Or did I play games of remembrance and forgetfulness? For how many did I have good wishes and pure feelings and give blessings to them? So checking is just not checking the what negative I did not do, but also I have to check what positive I did for others. Did I have good wishes and pure feelings? Did I give blessings to others? How much did you accumulate in your account of accumulation? What was that account like? You know very well that it is the only at this time you can accumulate in your account. Sangam Yug is the only age where we can accumulate our imperishable spiritual accounts. The account of accumulation of this time is that which you accumulate throughout the full season. Then you will claim your fortune of the kingdom and become a worthy of worship deity according to how much you have accumulated. If you have accumulated less, see Baba, what Baba is mentioning to us. If you have accumulated less treasures, there will be less fortune of the kingdom receive. And you will also be number-wise in becoming worthy of worship. If you have accumulated less, you will be worshipped less. Baba's calculation is direct. If you have accumulated less, then we are worshipped less. If you haven't accumulated in the right way and with discipline, you won't be worshipped in the right way with that discipline. If you are following the right method sometimes, then your worship and the status you claim will also be sometimes. So calculation is direct, ratio is direct. Bab Dada has deep love for every child. Therefore, Bab Dada wants every child to become complete and equal. Bab Dada has deep love for every child. So Bab Dada wants every child to become complete and equal. Do service but remain beyond and unlimited in service. The special direction of Bab Dada Do service, but remain beyond and unlimited in service. Bapdada has seen that the majority of children have less interest and pay less attention to the subject of yoga, that is remembrance. Even in yesterday's Sakar Murli, Baba was mentioning the same. In last week, many times Baba mentioned that we all are very weak in the subject of yoga. There is greater attention to service. However, if you are engaged in doing service without remembrance to a greater extent, there are then limitations in that. Baba is saying, if we are engaged in doing service without remembrance to a greater extent, there are then limitations in that. In that case, you don't have an attitude of being beyond. Then the desire of name, regard, and position becomes mixed, and the attitude of being unlimited is lessened. This is why Bapdada wants all his children, who are a handful out of multi-millions, and a selected few out of that handful, to become ever ready from now. Why? Some children think that they will become ready on time. However, this is your creation. Will you make the creation your teacher? Baba is saying some children think that they will become ready on time, but Baba is saying time is your creation. Will you make the creation your time, your teacher? Secondly, you know that this account is one of accumulating over a long period of time. That being full over a long period of time will enable you to receive attainment over a long period of time. Baba is saying, bahut kaal ka abhyas. So, Baba is saying here, you know that this account is one of accumulating over a long period of time. That being full over a long period of time will enable you to receive attainment over a long period of time. Therefore, now, according to the closeness of time, it is essential to accumulate over a long period of time. Baba is saying, are we doing traffic control? So Baba is saying, according to the closeness of time, it is essential to accumulate over a long period of time. Afterwards, you cannot then complain that you thought that there was still time left for accumulating over a long period. Pay attention to accumulating over a long period of time from now. Let's underline this statement. Pay attention to accumulating over a long period of time from now. Do you understand? Attention, please. Dada is asking us to pay attention at this subject of accumulating spiritual treasures for a long time. Bapdada wants there to be not a single weakness remaining in any of the you children in any subject. You love Father Brahma, do you not? The return of loving Father Brahma, and you will give the return of love. Will you not? So Baba is saying everyone loves Father Brahma, the return of loving Father Brahma, and you will give the return of love. Will you not? So the return of love is, if we love Father Brahma, then what we have to give him in return of his love? So Baba is saying the return of love is to check your weaknesses and give the return. What is the return of love? To check our weaknesses and give the return. Turn, like transform yourself. To turn yourself is the return. To turn ourselves in our old sanskars is the return of Father Brahma's love. So, do you have the courage to give the return? You raise your hands and you please Baba very much. Seeing all the raised hands, Bapdada becomes very pleased. Now, take a very firm vow. Vow in your heart, very, very firm, not a single vow by even 1%, that I have to give the return, I have to turn myself. So what promise we have to give Baba? That I have to give the return, I have to turn myself. Now, Shivratri is coming. So all the children have a lot of zeal and enthusiasm to celebrate the father's birthday, and so their own birthday with a lot of love. You are preparing very good programs. You make very good service plans, and Bab Dada is pleased with that. But Bab Dada is saying, you are preparing very good programs, you make very good service plans, and Bab Dada is pleased with that. But it isn't good to say, but when everything is going well, and in between somebody says, but. So Bab Dada is saying, it is not good to say, but. When using the word lekin, arthat but, Mother Jagdamba used to say that in the Sindhi language, lekin means rubbish. Lekin means rubbish. To use the word but means to take one type of rubbish or another. To use the word but means to take one type of rubbish or another. So Baba doesn't like using the word but he has to say it. Baba Dada is saying, I don't like to use word but I have to say. Just as you have made plans for another type of service and you will also make more plans, now also make a program to take this vow. I have to give the return. Baba Dada is saying how you plan the service programs in the similar way, you also make plans, make a program to take this vow. I have to give the return. When Bab Dada or anyone else asks you, how are you? The response from the majority of you is, I am very well, but not as well as Bab Dada wants. What we reply, I am very well, but not as well as Bab Dada wants. Now the response should be, I am as Bab Dada wants. So whenever Bab Dada asks us, how are you? So our response should be, I am as Bab Dada wants. Note down what Bab Dada wants and make a list of that. Are you that what Bab Dada wants or not? People of the world want liberation from you ancestors. They are crying out, give us liberation, give us liberation. For as long as something still remains of your old sanskars, which you call nature, not natural, but nature, and you haven't become free from that, no souls can receive liberation. Therefore, Bab Dada says, O children of the bestower of liberation, O master bestowers of liberation, now liberate yourself, and the gate of liberation will then open for all souls. So Bab Dada is invoking all of us, asking all of us, O children of the bestower of liberation, O master bestowers of liberation, now liberate yourself, and the gate to liberation will then open for all souls. Because all souls are crying out, give us liberation, give us liberation. You were told what the key to the gate is. We know what is the key to the gate. Unlimited disinterest. Unlimited disinterest is the key to the gate of liberation. Perform all tasks, but just as you tell householders in your lectures, become like a lotus, in the same way, while doing everything, become detached from the awareness of doing. Be detached. So another thing by which Baba is teaching us, how we tell other householders that remain like a lotus in in the house. In the same way, Baba is asking us, while doing everything, become detached from the awareness of doing. Be detached. Do not be influenced by the facilities or the position. A desire to receive something or other is not having a position, but it is a position from Maya. It's not a having a position, but it is a position from Maya. Be detached and loving to the Father. Is this difficult? Those who find it difficult to be loving and detached, raise your hands. If no one finds it difficult, then by Shivratri, everyone will become complete. If it is not difficult, then you have to become that. You have to become equal to Father Brahma in your thoughts, in your words, in your service, and in your relationships and connections. You have to become equal to Father Brahma. This is the main teachings what Baba is giving us. Baba is telling us to remain detached and loving like a Brahma Baba. So if it is not difficult, then Baba is saying you have to become equal to Father Brahma in our thoughts, words, service, relationships, and in connections. Acha. Those of you who believe that you have lots of love, even more than 100% love for Father Brahma and Dada and the great grandfather, raise your hands. Don't make Baba happy just like that. Don't just make Baba happy now. All of you raise your hands. This is being recorded on the TV, is it not? Then Baba will see this TV on Shivratri and see the result. Is this okay? So the Murli is in the Feb. So after maybe 2 weeks or so, there must be Shivratri. So Baba is giving a time limit that you become like Father Brahma till then. So Baba is seeing the raised hands and Baba is asking that it is been recorded in the TV and Baba is going to see it on the Shivratri. Is this okay? There shouldn't be the slightest difference in your being equal. There shouldn't be the slightest difference in your being equal. It is not a big thing to sacrifice yourself out of love. People of the world are ready to give their life for impure love, whereas all Baghdada wants is your rubbish. Just give away the rubbish. Do not give good things, but give away the rubbish. What are weaknesses and defects? They are rubbish, are they not? To sacrifice rubbish is not a big thing. To sacrifice good is a big thing. But whatever is rubbish, Baba is saying sacrificing rubbish is not a big thing. Let the situation end and let the original state of the self become elevated. This is what you say, is it not? That the situation was like that. Do not even mention the name of situations because they make you fluctuate. Let the stage of the self be powerful. What should all of you be revealed as when the curtain of completion opens? This is a beautiful thing Baba mentioned. What should all of you be revealed as when the curtain of completion opens? As angels who are sparkling. So what Baba wants us to look like? And angels who are sparkling. All the children should be seen sparkling. This is why the curtain is waiting to be opened, because these angels are getting ready. So Baba is saying the curtain is still waiting to be opened. People of the world are crying out, open the curtain, open the curtain. Therefore, make your own plans. When you are given a plan made by someone else, then it is a different manner. Make your own plan with your own courage. To achieve this stage, Baba is saying, make your own plan with your own courage. Use the key of determination and you will definitely receive success. What key to be used to make the plan successful? The key of determination. Be determined whatever we decide for ourselves. You have a determined thought and Baghdada becomes happy. Wah child, wah. You have determined thought, but then a little bit of carelessness becomes mixed into that determination. This is why the percentage of success is sometimes half and sometimes 3/4. So Baghdada is saying, what gets mixed with the determination? The carelessness. So that's why the Baba is saying sometimes the percentage is some half and sometimes quarter. Just as you have 100% love, in the same way, completion through your effort should also be 100%. It may be more than 100%, but not less. So what are Baba's expectation from us? Just we have 100% love for Baba. In the same way, completion through your effort should also be 100%. It may be more than 100%, but not less. Do you like this? Do you agree? You will show this splendor at Shivratri, will you not? I have to become this. If I don't become this, who else will have the have the faith? I was that, I am that, and I will become that once again. So, what faith we should have for ourselves? I was the one, I will be the same, and I will become that once again. This faith will make you victorious. Do not look at others. When we are doing self efforts, Baba is saying, do not look at others, look at your own self. Some children have a heart to heart conversation and they say, just put that one right a little bit and then I will become okay. When Bab Dada, when children do conversation, heart to heart conversation with Bab Dada, they just say, put that one right a little bit and then I will become okay. Change that one a little and then I will also change. However, neither will that one change nor will you. So Bab Dada is saying, when if you keep waiting for others to change, neither he will change nor you. If you will change yourself, the person will also change. Do not be dependent on anything such as this will happen if that happens. Do not be dependent on anything such as this will happen if that happens. I have to do it. Acha. Shivratri is soon going to come. Acha. So are we reading ahead? So those who have come for the first time, raise your hands. Bab Dada is specially saying to those who have come for the first time that although you have come at a time when little time remains, make such an intense effort that even though you have come last, you can go fast and claim the first number. Bab Dada encouraging the new souls. Bab Dada saying, although you have come late, but you can claim you have come last, you can go fast and claim the first number. Now the game of musical chair is being played and it has not yet been announced who has won. You have come late, but by moving along fast, you will reach your destination. At Amrit Vela, simply remind yourself of the blessings of being immortal. Acha. Some have come from far away and some have come from nearby. Bab Dada says, welcome to your home. The gathering looks beautiful. You are seeing it on the TV. When the gathering is full, it looks so beautiful. Acha. So are you ever ready? You will learn the lesson of being ever ready. Will you not? Acha. What are we going to do now? So it is the turn of Indore zone. Those from Indore, stand up, raise your hands. Many have come. Very good. To take this chance is to make your fortune very elevated. You are fortunate that you have received a chance and you have taken the chance. Bab Dada always says for every zone that to receive this golden chance for 15 to 20 days is a chance to stay in your self-respect, to create your own stage and to accumulate a lot in your account of charity. So all of you serve with zeal and enthusiasm. Congratulations for that. It is good. Indore is like indoor, would always be introverted. You are indoors, are you not? Those who remain indoors are introverted. Are they not? So, those who are introverted are always happy. Therefore, those from Indore have a natural blessing of always remaining introverted and so always happy. So, did you accumulate your income? Did you accumulate the maximum or only a little? Did all of you earn a lot? Acha. When that to be charity. When people serve food to one Brahmin, they consider that to be charity. You serve so many Brahmins. When we are at Madhuban, And when the Sevadhari group comes, it is serving thousands of Brahmins. And in Laukik, although you feed some one Brahmin, then they are considered as a charity work. So Baba is saying you serve so many Brahmins, therefore you accumulated a lot in your account of charity. And you serve true Brahmins. Those Laukik Brahmins are not the true Brahmins, but we are serving here in Madhuban true Brahmins. So your account of charity has become so great. It is good. You are making self-progress with zeal and enthusiasm. Continue to do that and continue to fly ahead. Acha. Now the wings have come. Okay. So now Baba is meeting the double foreigners. From how many countries have representatives come? From 35 countries. It is good. Madhuban becomes decorated with the double foreigners. Whether you stay in Gyan Sarovar or down here, you are the double decoration of Madhuban. Everyone becomes happy on seeing you. And Bab Dada has told you already that when establishment first began, there was one little Bab Dada didn't have. Sorry. Everyone becomes happy on seeing you, and Bab Dada has told you already that when establishment first began, there was one title Bab Dada didn't have. Then, which title Baba is mentioning? Then, when service abroad started, Bab Dada had that title in a practical way. What title is that? World Benefactor. Baba is saying this title was not there in Sakar Baba's time, but it came later. World Benefactor. Now there are service centers in all corners of the world. There are many service centers on every continent. How many centers must there be in UK alone, in Europe or in Australia? So Baba's title of being the world benefactor was proved by this service of the double foreigners. You know that Bab Dada likes very much one speciality of the double foreigners. Do you know what is that? Honesty and cleanliness. The speciality of double foreigners is they are very honest and very clean. So honesty and cleanliness. You tell everything. Even if you lack courage a little, you still tell Baba. You don't have the habit of hiding anything. So the father loves the honesty. Double foreigners never hide anything from Bab Dada. So Bab Dada loves that honesty. Truth will enable you to attain greatness. You have done very well. You have become servers of the country. You have emerged from. Otherwise, the children from Bharat would have had to learn so many languages. First of all, they would have to study this study. However, you came and become the servers. You bring the proof of service. Lots and lots and lots of congratulations for that. All of you are those who remain okay. Never forget okay. It is good. You have to remain the best of all. The lands abroad have to claim number one. You have to win and claim number one. You are good. You are the ones who win and claim number one. You won't be number two, will you? Number one. Win and one. Win and one. Everyone loves you. Everyone wants to see you. Bab Dada has seen you. Now turn yourself around so that everyone can see you. Look, you have become the images that grant visions. To the sister Jayanti, this one is okay, it's good. Acha. To the elevated souls who are a handful out of multi-millions and the selected few of that handful, to the fortunate children of God, to the special souls who through their intense effort put their thoughts into practice and who have elevated thoughts and perform elevated deeds and who make qualification equal to their aim, to the elevated souls who through their constant efforts over a long period of time claim their fortune of the kingdom and become worthy of worship, to the number one fortunate children who, as a return of love, turn themselves, Bab Dada's love, remembrance, and namaste. So we also give lot of remembrance and namaste to Bap Dada. Let's have a moment of silence. Om Shanti. All of you can share your points.
Om Shanti, everyone. Good morning. Today in Murli Baba said, unlimited disinterest is the key to liberation. So we need to remember this point, and we need to. Baba has also asked us to remain like a lotus in a detached and loving form. And one more thing, with my takeaway point from today's Murli is one more. I need to remember that I was that. I will become that and will become that once again. Om Shanti.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Om Shanti, sister.
Om
Thank you,
Shanti.
Baba. Thank you, sister. One very nice line in today's Murli was the return of love. To check your own weaknesses and to take that firm resolution to take the turn.
Right.
So, in fact, when you were reading the Murli, I was visualizing that I'm actually on a road. And you get a U-turn.
Yes.
Yes. So I actually parked myself in that position and I said, my origin, my source is the pure divine source of Baba, Bap Dada. And I have to take that U-turn. Although I'm proceeding in the right direction, at times some weakness will come. And you're going further, the road is taking you further from Baba. So now you have to stop and immediately take the U-turn and return to love. Om Shanti.
Nice. Thank you, sister.
Om Shanti. Very good morning. And thoroughly enjoyed the revision of Baba's love through instrument soul. And today's takeaway is attention now. Attention 100 times more. So Baba said, we are going to be shown to the word before the curtain of completion is opened. So we need to be prepared with that extra shine in us. And really, we have to give that return of love by taking that beautiful U-turn. We have to turn now, being introspective, and simply enjoy whatever we are getting. We are getting so much in many folds. We have to bring that, imbibe that, and make support system for everyone around. So 100% attention more on the self. Om Shanti. Om Shanti, sister.
Very good. Thank you, sister. Baba was saying, attention, please. Baba was asking us to pay attention to this, right? Thank you. Anyone else would like to share?
Om Shanti, sister.
Om Shanti.
Baba says, time is our creation.
Right.
And Baba says we should score. Equally in all the subject, equal marks in all the subjects.
Right.
Thank you.
So,
Om Shanti.
so Baba is saying, don't make time your teacher because it's your creation. Right. Anyone else?
Om Shanti, the checking point for me is for how many did I have good wishes and pure feelings, as Baba says in today's Murli. And that is something is very important. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you. So Baba is saying, just don't check what bad you did not do, but check what good you do for others. Did you have good wishes and pure feelings for all throughout the day? So we have to check where we have elevated ourselves, not just to check that I'm neutral or I did not do anything bad. Right. So we have to accumulate our spiritual treasures. This is the time to accumulate. Anyone else?
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Baba has given us a lot of checking points. Every point is very, very subtle. And the return of love is to check first our weakness and turn ourselves from old sanskaras. Not to use the word lekin. This word will again drag us back foot. So we should be very firm. Determination, key of determination is to receive success. So we should not be dependent of something is going to happen and then I would be doing this kind of thoughts should not come up. And we should always remind ourselves the blessings of being as immortal child of Baba. Om Shanti.
Thank you so much. So Bab Dada was saying that lekin, Mama used to say lekin means in Sindhi, rubbish. So Bab, in worldly love, people do so much for other, they even die for each other. But Baba is saying, I'm not asking you to die or I'm not asking you to leave something good, but I'm asking you to give your rubbish to me. Right. Anyone else?
Om Shanti. Good morning.
Om Shanti.
Good morning, all of you. I felt today that Baba was telling about the double fondness so happily, because I am also feeling that we also have to check and give attention, like Baba told, that a cleanliness and the 100% surrender to Baba. So we have to check it, that is Baba is also have that intention, that have to tell about me also, at least in the heart. Baba is feeling that I am also like that. We have to check it, and if you have any want to change it, you have to change it to that and give attention, more attention for that. Om Shanti.
Okay, thank you, Bhai. So Baba was underlying the two qualities of double foreigners, honesty and cleanliness. Baba is saying they are double purusharthis, because they have these two special qualities. They are very honest to Baba and they maintain the cleanliness. They have a clean heart as well. Chandrakana Ben is also mentioning Antarmukhi Sadasukhi. Baba is saying indoor. Indoor is indoor, who remains introverted. So Baba is saying who remains introverted, they are always happy. Good. Anyone else?
Om Shanti.
Yeah, carry on. Just a very small line. Yeah, master liberator we have to become, and first we have to liberate us. That point really touched me. Thank you.
Yes, very good. When we liberate ourselves, we'll be able to liberate others.
Om Shanti. Baba
Om.
has also told that when the curtain of revelation opens, you children should look like an angel who are sparkling.
Yes.
So we need to check with ourselves. So we need to keep ourselves on the right track with our words, action, thoughts, and deeds.
Right.
Om Shanti.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So we should look like angels who are sparkling. We have to match our thoughts, words, deeds, connections, relations, everything with Brahma Baba. We have to become like a Brahma Baba. That's the main thing from today's Murli. Okay, let's have a moment of silence. Let's remember Baba. Let's sit straight. Focus on ourselves. Let's experience our spiritual form. I'm a very special soul, chosen by Baba out of multi-millions. I have a lot of specialities within me. But if we look at the time, Baba is asking us to pay attention to our subtle weaknesses. Let me make the promise to Baba. Baba, I will not look at others, but I will check subtly all my weaknesses. And I will pay more attention to work on those weaknesses, to give return to you, Baba, the return of your love is I am ready to change my sanskars. I will not wait for others to change, but I will take step to change myself. I will become first to turn in my sanskars. I am experiencing as I am turning myself, I am becoming worthy of more love from Baba. More help and more sustenance I am getting from Baba. I am making my own plan with courage to change myself. I am completely ready. And Baba is also encouraging me. Yes, my beloved child, you work on it and I am with you. This way, it's becoming easy for me to change myself, transform myself. And I am becoming Sato Pradhan, pure, day by day. Purity is my natural nature. I am remaining detached and loveful in all the situations. Nothing impacts me. Nothing influences me. I am full inside with spiritual treasures. Thank you, sweet Baba. Thank you so much for choosing me, for making me elevated. Om Shanti, Shanti.
Thank you, Sheetal-ben. Thank you, all of you. And let's welcome the new month with a smile and remember Baba. See you all tomorrow at 5:30 a.m.
Thank you,
Have a good
sister.
day.
Om
Thank
Shanti.
you, all of you.
Have a nice day.
With Baba.
Okay.
Om
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti, sister. Thank you so much. Thank you, Baba.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Sincere, endless thanks to everyone. Thank you, sister.
Thank you.